V1 and the V2, the two German, the rocket and the flying bomb, autonomous. And this is the Space Museum of Evergreen. Have some plenty outside. The Titan rocket. Recovering of space. The lunar module. It's bigger than I expected. Nice. It looks very big. You can really appreciate, but it's very tall. The ladder. The rover. An F-104. Precious, really clean. See the edge, it was so $810.
The what?
That tight control thing,
Yeah.
you know, it has to be on top of everything. It can,
An 810. Oh, really? Este es el que te decía, este es el A10. El cañón este. Brrrt. Mira, un GAU 8. ¡Oh, Dios! No había tocado nunca un GAU 8. ¡Qué puta pasada! Brrrt. X-15. The Blackbird. And its drone. Hypersonic drone. The first time I saw the word drone written was in a model plane, in the box of the model plane, and it was this drone a lot of years ago. And the Firebee also was from Vietnam. This drone is the Lockheed GTD 21B drone. Oh, really? And the X-15 is very hypersonic aircraft. We have also simulator here. The F5, the follow plane. The Mohawk, it's a strange one. MiG-21. Nice, the A-10, really nice. Love it. Oh, the X-38. Really? How strange. Ah, it's a model. And we have here is the MiG-23 and the Global Hawk, which is very big. It's really big. And the F-15. Nice. Oh. Okay. Smoky Sandel. MiG-23 on one side, F-15 on the other side. I've never touched an F-15. Sorry, I want to touch anything. It's really huge. So it was an F4 at the beginning, but not, it's a MiG-23. The F4, just a small confusion about the cockpit, because it looks similar, front part of the cockpit and the nose and the air intakes, but immediately by the wings position you identify it, the exact plane. There are also some other drones there, small drones. I think this is from Israel. Mastiff? No, from the US Marine Corps. No idea about that. Chuka, it looks like a cruise missile. The target drone. Right. Ah, I have a wing here in Oregon.